If you're so good at what you do and you're turning away work, you might think about buying a new spindle, but not just any spindle.
By having this machine, we've been able to service much more of the new inquiries, never mind the existing inquiries and projects that we're working on. We're serving more inquiries because our productivity, the visibility of our productivity, has gone from sketchy to 30 days, 40 days. It's now gone from, we can forecast right up to the following year. We're able to accommodate new customers as well as existing. I'm Sean Palmer, the Commercial Director here at Oracle Precision. We specialise in intricate product manufacturing. We manufacture things that people can't do, don't want to do, daren't do. So we tend to get all the tricky things to manufacture. So we've celebrated our 10th anniversary, coming up to our 11th actually, and we survived Brexit and so far COVID. During that storm we've found that we're still turning work away due to limited capacity, which has meant we've had to continue to invest in a climate where many are less confident.
So Oracle Precision have a rich history in developing quality products on time, every time. So looking at a machine is pretty critical. So why did they go for the Matsura H+ 300?
Matsura was certainly at the top of the list when we were selecting possible suitors for a new supplier. Additional to that was they held our hand through the technical review. They did the offline programming analysis, the cycle time analysis, which has a big bearing on our commercial position. And the future for Oracle is to remain close to the suppliers that, quite frankly, we need as much as we do our customers. Our customers place orders with Oracle because it provides a solution to a problem that they have, either right now, short-term, or a long-term strategy for them. So when we've selected our machine tool supplier, it has to be one that is in it for the long run. I think as a part of Brexit and COVID, everyone's had to reanalyse where their own business is, where it's going. We've seen customers present more order visibility than they may have done historically because they recognise the importance of the relationship. And obviously, through the fantastic exposure from MTD CNC, we've gained inquiries now on a daily basis that, quite frankly, we can't service. So we've become very selective of who our customer is, what level of support we provide to them. But by investing in a machine during a climate where many are scared to do so, what more demonstration of an ongoing relationship can you present than that?
This is a multi-million-pound company, so when investing in the right machine, it requires teamwork.
I'm Ryan, Co-Director Oracle Precision, responsible for production and the purchasing of new equipment. We went for the Matsura H+ 300 because of the pallet system, the swath fall away, the efficiency, and most of all because we've already got a Matsura machinery, the service and backup, so that could hold us hand with a new piece of equipment. The pallet system is so important for us to create the unmanned running. There's 15 pallets on the H+ 300, and the idea is that we maximise the space per pallet to get as much product on as possible, therefore leading to unmanned hours and a greater nighttime running and lights out production. This is important to us because we're finding it a lot harder to get skills, and to become competitive we need to be able to run around the clock and at weekends without being able to man the machine. So we found that when we were doing this investigation that horizontals were better for swath evacuation, and the efficiency because of the pallet system is greater than any verticals we've got. So one of the biggest reasons we both Matsuras is they have the technology built into them that if a tool breaks throughout the night, it can quarantine that job, it can fetch the next pallet in, carry on workload. If it can't rectify itself, then it will send you an email so that you can come in and rectify the problem and get the machine back up and running. So the job what we've got on at the H+ 300 at the moment, we're taking quite big or heavy cuts. We're using 80mm face mills, 40mm porcupine cutters, and it stands up to it fantastically. With regards to efficiency, we're hoping that the H+ 300 will mirror what we're achieving on our MX 330 at the moment, which is virtually 100% spindle uptime.
We chose the Matsura because we've known Matsura for a number of years now. They've been absolutely first class through rain and storms that we may have suffered, but quite frankly I can't remember the last time we needed to call upon them for service support. It's just, without question, it's there. So when evaluating a new machine supplier, that really is the top of the main reason why we would buy, because productivity for us is key for our survival. I think addressing the ongoing staff shortage of skilled engineers, not just within our area, but within our whole industry is a challenge faced by any subcontractor. And for us to overcome that challenge, we've needed to really take advantage of technology. So we bought the machine that gives us more lights out productivity than we've ever had before, and it's really a new era for us.